Good morning, students. Today we will study chapter 2 in Geography, Physical Features of India. Topics for discussion are formation of northern plains, major physiographic divisions of India, and the Himalayas. In our previous session, we learned about the formation of Himalayas, the Himalayan uplift from the Tethys Sea and the sinking of the northern part of peninsular plateau created a huge depression in the north. In due course of time, this depression got filled with the sediments brought down by the Himalayan and the peninsular river. The extensive deposits of alluvium here form the northern plains of India. Different landforms of India were formed at different times. The oldest landmass or the physical feature of India is the peninsular plateau. It is composed of igneous and metamorphic rocks and is characterized by hills and wide valleys. Likewise, the most recent landforms found in India are the Himalayas and northern plains. The Himalayas are also known as the Youngfold Mountains. The high peaks, the deep valleys, the fast flowing rivers of the Himalayas also show that they have been formed recently. The geologists believe that the Himalayas are still rising by 1 centimeter every year. India can be grouped broadly under 6 physiographic divisions. They are the Himalayan mountains, the northern plains, the peninsular plateau, the Indian deserts, the coastal plains, and the islands. We will study in detail about all these physiographic divisions one by one. Let's begin with the Himalayan mountains. The Himalayan mountains cover the northern border of India. They are the highest and most rugged mountain range of the world. Rugged means they are highly uneven. They extend from the Indus River in the west to the Brahmaputra River in the east. They form an arc from west to east about 2400 kilometers. Their width also varies a lot. For example, in Kashmir, the width is about 400 kilometers. At the same time, in Arunachal Pradesh, the width is only about 150 kilometers. The Himalayas are formed of 3 parallel ranges from north to south. They are Himadri, Himachal, and Shivalik. First of all, Himadri. The Himadri is also known as the Great or Inner Himalayas. It is the northernmost range of the Himalayas and it is the most continuous range. It has loftiest peaks of the world. For example, Mount Everest, and the average height of mountains in this range is about 6,000 meters. The core of this part of the Himalayas is composed of granite. This range is also perennially snow covered. Perennially means for the whole year it is covered by snow, and the number of glaciers descend from this range. For example, Gangotri Glacier. Next to Himadri, the Himachal range lies to the south of the Great Himalayas or the Himadri. It is composed of highly compressed rocks that have undergone considerable change in composition or appearance. In one word we can say form of altered rocks. The average height of the mountains in this ranges between 3000 meter to 4500 meters, and the average width is about 50 kilometer. The most important thing to learn here that the Pir Panjal range in the Himachal is the longest range, and the other prominent ranges of the Himachal are Dhauladhar and Mahabharata range. Also, this range consists of the famous valleys of Kashmir and the Kangra and Kullu valley in Himachal Pradesh. The Himachal range also known for hill stations like Dalhousie and Shimla, which are located in Himachal Pradesh. Likewise, Ranikhet and Nainital, which are located in Uttarakhand. Then last of all, the Shivalik. The Shivalik is the southernmost range of the Himalayas, and it is also the outermost range. It is composed of unconsolidated sediments which are brought down by the rivers. The width of the Shivaliks varies from about 10 to 50 km, and the height or altitude varies between 900 to 1100 meters. And the most important thing here is that the longitudinal valleys which are found between the lesser Himalayas here means the Himachal, and the Shivaliks are known as dunes. The most famous dunes are Dehradun, Kotli Dune and Patli Dune. We finish our session here only. Thank you and have a nice